Measurement system analysis. Let's assume you go to the market to buy 1 kg of onion. You ask the seller to give you 1 kg of onion. Using his weighing machine, the seller weighs 1 kg of onion in a bag and gives it to you. You pay for it and come back home. Now you are thinking of cross-checking the quantity of onion. For this you have another weighing machine at your home. And you know about this machine. The measurement results given by this machine are always correct according to you, which means you believe in this machine. When you weigh 1 kg of onion in this machine, you find it is actually 950 grams. Now you realize that the seller has given you 50 grams less quantity of onion. In Six Sigma, this difference is called measurement error. The problem might have been with the weighing machine that the seller has, or by mistake seller has given you lesser quantity of onion. Now in this situation you have two options, and out of two options it's only you who has to take a call which one to choose. Option 1, you can go back to the seller and ask for remaining 50 grams of onion. Option 2, you can decide to bear this loss. You will try to analyze the situation keeping in mind the price of 50 grams of onion and cost of going back to the seller. Let's assume the seller is 1 kilometer away from your home. And based on the analysis, you conclude that it's not worth going back to the seller for 50 grams of onion, and you decide to bear this loss. Now think of the same situation, and instead of onion, if it was gold, what would you do out of two options? You may decide to go back to the seller and ask for remaining 50 grams of gold due to the price of the gold. So in both the situations, it's only you who has to take a call what to do in the case of measurement error. From Six Sigma point of view, when you work on Six Sigma project, just try to remember measurement error. Apart from this, try to remember two more terms: observed value and true value. And the second point is, like, in both the situations, it's only you who has to take a call whether the loss resulting from this measurement error can be borne by you or not, similar to the way that you did in case of onion and gold.